Surrounded by 270 miles of spectacular shoreline and tens of thousands of acres of rolling hills, emerges a lakeside estate with direct boating access to one of the most favored deep-water coves on Lake Travis. Heritage Auctions is proud to present this captivating lakeside destination, encircled by more than 2 acres of its own private, gently sloping wooded terrain, providing exclusive entry to prime boating and water sports within one of the region's most enviable natural attractions and coveted waterfront locations. Bask in the untapped natural beauty of Texas Hill Country, invigorated by the privilege of living directly on a protected cove of the region's largest lake in this masterfully constructed, one-of-a-kind Lone Star State Retreat. Built to maximize the area's unique landscape, this waterfront property exudes comfort and rustic Texas charm, casually opening up to a wealth of outdoor recreation and enviable accommodations. This multi-level home maintains a sense of warmth at every turn, from the locally milled and native reclaimed woodwork to the soaring ceilings and spectacular features throughout the property. View sensational sunsets from any one of the multiple decks that lead down to exclusive water access and one of the largest private boat docks on all of Lake Travis. From the captivating soaring treetop views of the observation deck to the impressively designed outdoor kitchen and enclosed patio, this massive property creates a seamless connection between the indoor and outdoor settings with an excess of living and entertaining space. We welcome you to discover the awe-inspiring views, luxurious features, and charm of lakeside living just outside Austin. This exceptional waterfront estate will be sold at auction on June 21st at 2 p.m. For more information, please visit ha.com/Austin or call 855-261-0573.